What's going on, everyone? Got a 2025 Toyota Tacoma. We're going to reset the oil life today. It's fairly simple with this truck. We're going to use the steering wheel buttons we have right here on the left hand side of the steering wheel, and we're going to be focusing on the gauge cluster right here in the center. All we got to do is actually go down. So you're going to press this button down, and it says right here, hold OK to change settings. So we're going to push and hold down OK. It's going to give you this menu here, and then in this menu here we are looking for settings. Okay, press OK. That's going to give you this menu here. Now go down to vehicle settings, hold down OK, and go down right here to oil maintenance. Okay, so this is our oil change reminder. Now, if you're getting a warning or a notification about scheduled maintenance, you're going to reset that right here also. Okay, just like that. It's that simple. Well, I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, I'd really appreciate if you could hit the subscribe button for me. That would really help us out a lot. And if you could be so kind to hit the thumbs up button and leave me a comment if you could. I'd really appreciate that. Hope you guys enjoy your weekend, and thank you for checking out the video.